Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to start new lesson. Open your textbooks, page number 175. So what is the lesson name? Measurement. So tick the one that is longer. Let us start with warm-up table. You see here two pencils they give. Observe that which one is longer here. Tick that picture. Which is longer? So this pencil is longer than this one, no? Remaining we can cross it. Next, what is the time of the clock? Can you say the time of the clock? So in the clock there will be two hands. One is short hand and is long hand. This short needle is near to the 3 and what is the long needle near to the 12. That means it's 3 o'clock. Write the time 3 o'clock. Time is 3 o'clock. So in this way, let us start how to measure the length, how to measure the mass, how to measure the capacity, how to measure the time, how to measure our temperature, body temperatures, using what we will use to measure the temperature. So let us see these all interesting things, measurement. Okay, children. So in our school, we have the science lab. In that, we can able to see all this. If school is there, means I can show you by sending you to the lab. All these things practically, I can show you which is the beam balance, what is the tape, for what it is used, and what is the capacity. So small kilograms, grams, stones also are there in our science lab. So we can enjoy in the science lab also. But now it is not possible. Let us say next academic year, if at all this chapter is there, I will show you. Okay, let us start the chapter. So see here children, this is measurement. So first we will see in our everyday life we measure different things, no, such as heaviness of objects, amount of liquid in glass, length of cloths, time in a clock, isn't it? You will measure different things. Hmm? So that is nothing but measurement. How you can define the measurement? Measurement is nothing but finding the number that tells us about the size or amount of something. So recently for Pongal, you purchased a new dress. For purchasing a new dress, you have to say your body size so that they will stitch your cloths, isn't it? So there also we are using measurement of cloths. So they will ask length of cloths and at what time they have to return the clothes. In that also time also one of the measurement, isn't it? And next, daily will take the milk. You will ask, they will ask how much milk you want. Then there also we are using measurement, saying 1 liter, 2 liters. That means liquids we are using. Liquids means what type of measurement we are asking for them. And if at all if you go for vegetables, you will observe that what is the weight of tomato, isn't it? First, will ask your mother will ask, give me 1 kg of tomato. That means there how you are measuring the tomatoes. What there also you are using measurement or not. So in our daily life we measure different things in different ways related to particular objects. So let us see today about measurement of length. Measurement of length. So how you will measure the length? Length is the measure nothing but in ancient times. Are you saying here ancient? These are the ancient instruments. That is, in ancient times we don't have any scales, rulers, or anything, tapes. So they use it their hands and foots only. The distance between the tip of the thumb and the little finger. Are you observing? Tip of the thumb. So see this thumb and little finger like this. This is the measurement that they will take. Okay. Are you seeing this one? Tip of the thumb finger to the little finger. That is called hand span. That is called hand span. Are you able to see hand span? So check your hand span also. Take the thumb finger to the little finger. Thumb finger to the little finger like this. Next foot span. Are you seeing foot span? Footstep. So if you want to measure the floor, They will use the footsteps, and sometimes they are using the ropes also. Okay, and the distance covered by taking a long step while walking or running also, it is called as a stride or pace. PACE. In your textbook they gave, open your textbook page number 176. So they gave, so in olden days people used it to measure these lengths with the help of their body parts like hand, arm and foot. Hand, arm and foot. So that only we will say these measurements as hand span, foot span, and cubit. So when you purchase the flowers, recently this old people also they will measure from elbow to the middle finger of the hand, isn't it? Have you observed or not? That is called cubit. So distance from the elbow to the middle finger of the hand is called cubit. And stride means covered by taking a long step while walking or running. It also differ from person to person. So measurements, these types of measurements are not accurate. This hand span, foot span, cubit, and stride. That's why these are called non-standard units of measurement. These types of units are called non-standard units of measurement. So we need to have fixed units for measuring things, no? That's why they are known as standard units for measurement. Standard units for measurement. Nowadays, modern measurements instruments came to measure length using ruler, using measuring tape, using screw gauge. This is vernier calipers. You will study about these in further classes. In your future, you will see the screw gauge, vernier calipers in +2 or +1. Okay, after 10th, about screw gauge and vernier calipers, how we will measure. But you can see ruler daily in our even our daily life also will use